Hello everyone and welcome to a quick tutorial for Gmail. In today's video I want to show you how to change the background in Gmail. It's pretty simple to do. First I open Gmail and click on the cogwheel on the top right. Next to Theme I click on View All. Here I find many different backgrounds that I can use in Gmail. Besides images, I can also use simple colors. This way I can choose something that I like. For this example I will choose the chess pieces and click Save. And with that the background in Gmail is already changed. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.